Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Techie Tech, where we simplify tech for you. I'm Saga, and in today's video we are going to walk through the process of installing Eclipse on a Windows machine. So Eclipse is a powerful integrated development environment, or you may say IDE, widely used for Java development and more. If you are getting started with programming or just need a reliable IDE, so this video is perfect for you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also feel free to leave any question or comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Alright, let's get started with installing Eclipse on Windows. First open your web browser and search for Eclipse, and it will show you some results. And we need to open the first link, that is Eclipse, and this is from www.eclipse.org. This is the official website, so just click on it, and you may find the download button here, so just click on the download button. Again it will redirect you a new web page, and just scroll down and you may find here install your favorite desktop IDE packages, and just click on the download button. Then it will start download for you. Just click on the download button. Then again it is asking for download, so just click on download button again, and it will start downloading for you automatically. And this is just for 131.37 MB. Click on start download. I'm using internet download manager here, so this is uh, getting it downloaded in IDM, internet download manager. But if you don't have IDM, so it will just start downloading automatically on here, or you may find that in the download section. So it may depends on your system whether you have been downloaded IDM or not, or you are using any other downloader tool. The file has been downloaded successfully. Now we just need to open the folder where the file has been downloaded. So this is our exe file, so we just need to open it. And you may see here there are many options like Eclipse IDE for Java, C and C++, PHP developers, and many more. So now we are going here for Java developers. So Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So click on this. So it will ask you to select the Java version. So it depends upon you whether you want to download the Java JDK full version or just want to use JRE. In my case, I have already downloaded the Java JDK 22 version from Google and installed on my system. So this is a little bit process. Here you may go Oracle Java and click on the first link, and you need to go to download button. Here are the versions available right now. Java 22, 21 and 17 are available. So you may download the latest version JDK 22, and which is available for also Windows. So click on the Windows tab and download the x64 installer. This is for 164.35 MB only. So click on this link and it will allow to download the setup file for your installer. So I have already downloaded, and you may just install by opening the setup file. Yeah, you may just install it. After installing JDK, so this is asking for the path that where you have been installed your JDK, Java JDK version. So this is the path basically, or it will automatically fetch the installed JDK version. So it depends upon you whether you want to download or just use the JRE version from here. And one more thing is there, you just need to set the path for environment variables. for your Java JDK. So you just need to open environment variables by typing, just click on the environment variables. Then the system variables, you may need to find path and click on edit button. Here you may see I have already added the path for the bin folder, and you may navigate through the C drive, and then program files, and then Java, then Java JDK 22, then bin folder, and here is this is the path, and copy it and just paste here by clicking on the new button. It will ask you to paste the path here like this. Yeah, then click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. So you may find the Java JDK version here. So I have just select this one, and by default the shortcut for desktop and the shortcut create for start menu entry already checked. So just click on install, and it will start installing for you. Yeah, here you may see the Eclipse for the IDE for Java developers is successfully installed on our system. So you may launch it here by clicking on the launch button, or you may just click on the double click on the icon from your desktop. So there are many options to run your Eclipse IDE. You are about to exit, so we can just launch from the pop-up menu, and it will ask you every time until you click on this default location for your workspace. So it is being asking for your workspace. So just select according to your directory whether you want to make your projects saved. So use this as the default and do not ask again. So it will not ask again whenever I open my Eclipse IDE. So just click on launch, and it will launch a Eclipse IDE for you. Yeah, these are my some projects that I have created. So you may create new one by clicking on the new Java project, Maven project, or any of other that you want to create. So this is all about for installing Eclipse on our Windows system. I hope everyone got the same and installed on your system successfully. If any of you getting any error while installing Eclipse on your system, you may comment below. I will definitely help you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.